What up? Jeff here with all my Bitcoin renegades. And today I am going to just go over some news and some things that are happening in the world. The reason that I'm not doing the continuation of the pretending to be a YouTuber, pretending to be a crypto YouTuber scammers revealed is because they haven't taken the bait yet. So I had one respond to me, and I'm still in the works of actually getting him to communicate with me, and I need to do it in a very discreet way. Hopefully he doesn't look on my YouTube channel, which is what I think might have happened. I took the video down right away so that he wouldn't see it, but he didn't get back to me right away. So I ended up putting the video back up. And I'm sure he went to check me out and probably saw the video, and it ruined my plan. I still think that I can get one of these guys on the hook. Let's let a few days go by. So when they check on me, you know, that video won't be hopefully at the top of the screen and they won't see it. Because I really want to mess with these guys, for messing with all of you guys, man. I am sorry that you have had to go through that. I know if you've left a comment in any of the YouTubers chats, channels, that you have probably been met with one of these scammers. And so together we are going to find a way to take them down. I'm trying to get audience motivation and audience basically, I want your opinions, guys. I want you to tell me what you think I should do. I want you to give me ideas on how to get him to think that I want him to trade for me without going on WhatsApp, because I don't know that app. And so anyway, I don't know how to bait him over there. But if we can get him over to the Telegram group, guys, and even a PM over there, and then I will send him 1 cent in Bitcoin a bunch of times if I can get it for a really cheap fee, and be like, man, I sent you half a Bitcoin, and just mess with him. So, but I don't know if he's going to do that. You know, I think that these guys are the scum of the earth. You know, if they repent, then good for them, but they could do this to my friends and family. That's why I had to make a separate Facebook account, because I don't want my friends and family getting trolled by, you know, these kind of people. So I'm making videos about this to let everybody know, especially my friends and family and my loyal YouTube subscribers and all the new people who come to my channel, that these guys are out there. And eventually they're going to start doing the same thing with me. And I want to let you know right now that know what to look for, how to spot these guys, and what we do when we catch them. So let's get into some news here today, guys, and find out what is going on in Bitcoin. I like this one the best so far. This is from Decrypt. ARK Invest bought $29 million in shares in Greyscale Bitcoin Trust during the crash. And this is a good way for big businesses to invest in Bitcoin related stocks, which is basically a stock that is tied to the price of Bitcoin, and it follows that price. So ARK Invest purchased more than 1 million shares of the Greyscale Bitcoin Trust during Tuesday's trading session. ARK Invest, the investment firm headed by Cathy went big during Bitcoin's drop below 30,000 on Tuesday, snapping up 29 million in the Greyscale Trust. So they got a bunch of shares. They have the data right here. By this investment firm, that they bought over 1,046,002 shares of Greyscale and made ARK Next Generation Internet ETF. Was made through ARK Next Generation Internet ETF. one of the company's 6 actively managed funds. Today's purchase brought ARKW's total holdings of Greyscale Trust to almost 8.6 million, worth $238 million, with a weight of 3.99%. I guess Greyscale's the 7th largest holder. It's only topped by Tesla, Shopify, and Twitter. So they have 21.9 million in assets under management. I don't think that's right. 21.9 million? Okay, maybe it is. I thought it was billion. I thought they had billions under management. It offers investors SEC regulated exposure to Bitcoin, tracking the price of the benchmark cryptocurrency. One Greyscale Trust share currently trades for $30 or about, like $28.96. So this is pretty cool. This shows how much Bitcoin is gaining traction, and not even just Bitcoin, but Bitcoin traded stock companies. So they are really putting some weight and clout behind this, you guys. Do you really think we're going to go back down to 10,000 after these guys are like frantically buying at $28,800? Like frantically. They went out of their way to buy as much as possible, as quick as possible, so that they could make a nice profit. And these people are not stupid. So if you follow what the smart people are doing, you're going to make money. I do apologize to you guys for my Dogecoin prediction. I did say that it could go to 40 to 80 cents. The only reason I apologize is because sometimes I get a little extra bullish. But listen to everything that I say as well. I did say that there was a possibility that Dogecoin could go all the way back down to under a penny. So when I tell you these things, you need to listen to all of it, just because there are conditions and certain stipulations about things sometimes that make my predictions seem a little bit different than they actually are. You have to listen to the whole prediction and not just me saying that Dogecoin's going to 40 to 80 cents, guys. I say it is contingent on the price of Bitcoin. And what did it do? When Bitcoin crashed, boom, we had Dogecoin go down. So, and then when Bitcoin goes back up, Dogecoin goes back up. So we are having a lot of good price corrections lately, and now we are on an uptrend. And you see right now, let's see what Bitcoin is going for. Let's look at the prices right now and see what we're working with, what we're dealing with here. Okay, Bitcoin right now is sitting at $34,668. We had a high today of $35,300 around, and this looks beautiful to me. Right now, I believe we are consolidating upwards. We have passed the 33,000 marker and we hit the 35,000 marker. We had a ton of support at $35,200, and now that is resistance to us. And you see right here, we bounced almost right off of it and went back down. So guys, we need to break this $35,200 resistance in order to be able to continue higher. And I believe that a breakout is imminent, with the super pattern that is in the charts being imminent. And I made a video about this because of Kevin Svensson's tweet that he made about the 3 peaks and the domed house, which 1, 2, 3 peaks, the starting of the downward trend, and then the drop to the basement. We are now in the basement. And what I said in the video the other day is exactly what happened, guys. I said we will continue going sideways and we will go down. we will go down a little bit before continuing higher. And that is exactly what happened here, guys. We went further down, exactly like I said, exactly like predicted, and then now we are heading back upwards, guys. And this is what's going to happen because of this super pattern that appears to be playing out in the charts. We are right now in the basement level, or the so-called bear trap. And to you that don't know what a bear trap is, to the beginners out there, basically it is a time of accumulation for us bulls, but it is also a time of trickery for the bears, I would say, because they are really hoping that the price is going to go down a lot. And with the things that have been happening lately and all the FUD and the news and the price actually breaking below the $30,000 level, even though Tesla's in at $33,500, it's like people forgot about that, right? So we have what we call a bear trap. And what we are doing is we're getting a ton of bears to put in all of these short positions and sell their Bitcoin at this level because they think it's going to go even lower. And so it's a trap. And so as soon as a lot of that happens and we get a lot of sell-offs, then we have all sorts of companies like Greyscale Trust being bought by ARK, and we have a ton of these institutions buying at these low levels. Maybe even Elon Musk decided to buy in when it went down to 28,800 again. He might have bought more money for Tesla. Don't forget about those guys. A lot of people haven't been talking about Tesla or Elon Musk lately in the last couple of weeks, since the infamous tweets. Besides the tweets, I don't hear a lot of people talking about him. So guys, this is a time for accumulation. This is a time to trick the bears into thinking that, we are in a downtrend, that the market is over, the bull cycle is done. But guys, they are going to be tricked, and it's going to keep going up. We are going to see the first floor play out here very soon. And once this pattern is confirmed with the first floor, then you're going to see a whole lot of people getting in it. And don't be fooled by the Wyckoff accumulation patterns and how they correlate with the three peaks in the domed house. They try to trick people and get them into Bitcoin with these super patterns. Well, this one isn't a trick that I believe. I believe this one is possibly going to play out the way that it should. It could be a giant pattern that we will see very soon. I will report to you guys on that. This is a very important thing for me. If you want to check out my video about it, it will be in the comments below, the description below, and you can check that out there. So I also want you guys to take a broader outlook. So recently today we keep bouncing off, but that's what we've been doing for the last entire month, almost 2 months long now. You see this? We go up and then down, up and then down. And this volatility is perfect for institutional investors and for exchanges that do leverage trading, because the more you go down and up, the more you liquidate funds. And for the companies out there they're just accumulating this whole time. They're getting you to sell at cheap prices while they buy more and more and more of your Bitcoin. And then they want you to buy it from them later on at a more expensive price. That's the way it works, guys. So let's get into some more news here. I want to talk about this. A lot of people that have credit unions and like long-term saving investment, this is for you. The NYDIG partnership could bring Bitcoin to your local credit union. Up to 18.3 million quarter two customers will soon be able to buy, sell, and hold Bitcoin directly from their bank accounts. What? Bitcoin is going to be available at your bank. See, guys, this is why they made the price go down so far, so that these banks can get in. This is called government power. And when the government is so closely correlated with these banks, then they have what you call a backing up of the boat. So it happens with institutional investors. Well, you better believe it's going to happen with the government and the banks. Yeah, guys. So 18.3 million quarter two customers will soon be able to buy, sell, and hold Bitcoin in your bank. This is crazy, guys. So Bitcoin is being adopted by the masses, by the mass institutions. Next, we need the mass of the people. And that's what they are trying to control that. Guys, they're trying to make you buy the Bitcoin from them. They are going to corner the market because there's only 21 million Bitcoin, guys. The reason they're not doing it yet is because Bitcoin is still being able to be minted and produce new Bitcoin. Once all the Bitcoin has been minted, they can corner the market and make it to where you can only buy Bitcoin from big corporations at a markup in price. So get Bitcoin now while it is able to be bought by yourself alone. This is not financial advice though, guys. This is for your entertainment and for your research and knowledge purposes only. Always do your own research before investing in the market. Any leverage trading or any trading can cost you big and you could lose everything. Just keep that in mind when trading, when doing anything in the cryptocurrency or the stock market. So your banks are going to basically try to sell you Bitcoin and get paid fees for it, get paid commissions for it, and get new customers to their services for it. I mean, it's a good strategy, but guys, let's get on the board before they can do this to us. All right, we got to be smart, we got to be strategic, and that's how real wealth is built. Guys, if you follow my channel, this channel might talk about a lot of stuff, but this is about our community building wealth together without leverage trading. It can be done. A lot of these channels just want you to leverage trade, guys. You will get wrecked. 99% of you guys, not 90%. That's just for trading cryptocurrency or traders alone, trading the stock market. 10% of the people will be successful, 90% will get wrecked. Now, leverage trading has a bigger swing factor because of the volatility in the cryptocurrencies and in the stock exchange. It creates a basically legal scam, and they can move the prices with big purchases on their own exchanges to liquidate tons of positions. There is only a 1% chance that you will ever make it in leverage trading. So just be careful, guys. We are accumulating real wealth and in a real way. You're not going to make $1 million overnight on my channel. But if you want to learn how to properly invest in Bitcoin and make real gains like I have myself, then follow my channel and follow what I'm doing. Sometimes, recently only, I have lost a little bit of money. It was only a couple $100 that I lost. I have made tens of thousands of dollars in cryptocurrency. So you just have to play the game smart, and you have to, time your investments in a real way. And the best way to do that at these prices is with dollar cost averaging. And I've made videos about that, guys. So all of my new followers, please check out my older videos about how to dollar cost average. That will really help you in the future. And if you really want me to, I can make a even more detailed video about dollar cost averaging and how to get into Bitcoin. And I am willing to meet with people and guide them as well. That right now is going to be a purchase thing. You have to be a member of my Patreon in order to get personalized advice from me from now on. So my advice, I want to help people make money. I want to guide them in the right direction, and that's what I'm going to do on my channel. But for the extra stuff, the insider tips, my personal portfolio, and the altcoins that I'm buying right now, so that you can get them while I'm buying them, go over to my Patreon and join. And as soon as I have the first person joined over there, I will release the content. It hasn't been released yet. I'm waiting for the customer to come over there, and as soon as I have my first one, then I will make the video about one of my biggest altcoins that I've gained on, and how I did it, and how you can still do that. So without leverage trading. with just purchasing in, making a good profit right now. So, all right, guys. I have a lot of content for you. We're gonna catch the scammer. We're gonna have the price of Bitcoin. I'm gonna have more technical analysis as I learn and grow. I'm kind of stepping back on the TA for a while because I'm really still learning, and I don't want to lead you guys in the wrong direction at all. I know TA is kind of an iffy-andy thing anyway. It does have merit to it though. There is confirmed breakouts. The only problem is a lot of the time you can't confirm the breakout until after, or you can't confirm the pattern until after it already broke out. That's the problem with technical analysis. Sometimes when it looks like it's going to do one thing, it absolutely does another. So I'm trying to get better at reading those breakouts and reading the charts and putting the trend lines in the right position at resistance and support, looking for head and shoulder patterns, cup and handle patterns, inverse head and shoulder patterns, descending wedges, falling wedges, rising wedges, ascending wedges, descending broadening wedges. I mean, gosh, there's so many different things that you have to learn, and that is even just the first part of it. Then you need like the daily moving average, the weekly moving average, the RSI index, whale accumulation levels, resistance and support levels. I mean, guys, there is so much in technical analysis, but I am learning it. I am doing this for you guys. And myself as well. I am building a community of people and of avid investors. We are going to make real wealth together, guys. And at 32,000 or even 34,000 right now, it is the best time to buy Bitcoin in history. There's so much exposure and so much just have to have it. Have to have Bitcoin. And this bull market is not over, guys. I will tell you when the bull market is over. I called the bottom at 30,100. We did wick below it a little bit, so I do apologize for that. But like I said, as long as you are just buying Bitcoin and holding it for the long term, it didn't really matter that it went down to 28,000 for us diamond hand holders. That we are just accumulating, we are buying Bitcoin, we do not sell at the bottom, we do not sell in the middle, we try to make it as close to the top as possible. That way we make as big returns on our investment as possible. Now guys, I'm going to get more into investing in the next couple of videos. I really want to teach you guys how to properly invest in cryptocurrency. And I want you to have detailed and really meticulous information on how to do that. And you really need to look up and study dollar cost averaging. And do not set it automatically, guys. This is something I made the mistake of doing, and I ended up buying Bitcoin at like the highest levels of the week every week. It ended up, I don't know if they do that on purpose when you do it on automatically, but it's supposed to buy at like the lowest price possible during the week. But when you set it up, it happens at a certain time and date every single week. And it just happened that the certain time and date that I picked was always at the top. Like, I think it was when Bitcoin was at 59,000, and it kept going down to like 54,000, 50,000 during the week. And then during the time that I was going to buy, it would go back up to 59,000. Then I'd make a purchase of 59,000, it would go back down, and then back up to 59,000 by the next time that I bought that week. So it happened to me twice. It was only like two $50 purchases, so it wasn't a lot of money. So what I did is I'm doing it manually now, guys. Do not set up an automatic dollar cost averaging. That way you buy at whatever the price is at that exact time and date every week. What you need to do is do it manually so that you can pick the lowest time during every single week to buy the coin at. Now, you might have to wait a few days after you have the money to do that. So you don't have to buy every single week at the same exact time. Just make sure that you're buying at least every single week at the lowest point that you can. Now, if it goes lower after you purchase, then don't feel bad. That's why it's called dollar cost averaging. So you kind of average it in. But you don't want to buy at the top every single week. That would not be good. So when you automatically set it, you could actually automatically hurt yourself. So don't do that. Be aware of when you're buying. Be aware of what price. Don't set it and forget it. Set it and, well, don't set it. Only set it when you're ready to do it. Be there. Be live. Because anytime you try to do something and you're not going to be there to do it, then you have the higher probability of it not going your way, of you buying at the wrong price, and you not making a profit. Sometimes with Bitcoin, a few $1,000s in difference in price downwards and when you purchase could be the difference between your profit and your loss, guys. This is really good information I'm giving you guys right here. I mean, I'm telling you how to make the most out of your money. Now, with Dogecoin, I'm going to stick by the way that I purchased that because I did it with Bitcoin, I did it with Cardano, I did it with almost every other single coin that I have ever had in cryptocurrency. What I do is I buy, and then if the price goes down a little bit, I didn't hit the bottom, I buy more. Well, next time I'm going to wait until the market's down to do that. That was my mistake with Dogecoin. It got on Coinbase, and I got excited because the same thing that happened with Cardano, I was sure it was going to happen with Dogecoin because it came on Coinbase. Well, I fell victim to the FUD, to the, well, not the FUD, to the promotion of Dogecoin on Coinbase. I fell for, you know, the I don't know, Cardano effect, let's call it. You know, and the price skyrocketed in Cardano after it reached Coinbase. It did go down at first, but then it saw all-time highs. I called the $2 Cardano like a week before it happened, and I hopefully helped you guys make a lot of money with Cardano. Now, when I had you, well, I didn't have you do anything, but when I did my Dogecoin purchases, we're in the loss right now, but diamond hands, guys, right? So I was almost panicking and almost sold my Doge. Remember when in the video I told you guys you can control it, and I'm glad I listened to the two people that my super fans, I call them, or no, my inner circle. They aren't really super fans. They're basically my homies, my internet homies, and my inner circle of trusted advisors. And they told me, you know, unless it goes down to like, you know, 8 or, you know, 10 or 8 cents, don't sell it. And I might have sold it, guys. I was thinking about selling my Dogecoin, putting it in something else, and I almost was going to sell my Anchor. I'm going to leave that up to you. So, guys, I am still leaving my Dogecoin in your hands. Okay? So, whatever you guys want me to do with it, let me know in the comments below. Let me know on my Twitter, Telegram, TikTok, wherever you guys can get a hold of me, whatever apps that you have. Give me ideas. So in conclusion to this video, guys, I am asking for interaction from you guys with a few things. So first thing is the contest, which will be held live tomorrow night at 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And that is my 100 subscribers celebration, guys. We're going to celebrate together. We're going to give away $20 in cryptocurrency, $10 in Bitcoin, $5 in Dogecoin, and either $5 in Ethereum, Algorand, or fans pick. So you guys get a pick it. I don't mean or fans pick. It is a fans pick. So you guys will get to choose that. Whatever third coin. And the reason that I put the live stream up days in advance is so that it could be, the word could get out to people, and we get 50 live streamers during the contest. And once we have 50 live streamers, then we will also give another $10 in crypto away, $5 to 2 other people. So that's going to be a total of 5 people are going to be winners, guys. So we need a lot of people to join on the live stream so that we can get as many people cryptocurrency as possible. This gets the word of crypto out. This puts crypto in people's pockets. And this helps my channel grow, guys. Now, if I help you make money in crypto, not financial advice, because this is for entertainment purposes and research only, education, then go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and just show love for these videos, guys, because that's how I grow and am able to give you guys this stuff. So if I just keep giving away cryptocurrency and my channel doesn't grow, my likes don't grow, the shares don't grow, then I'm not going to be able to finish this road to 1K subscribers. Now, you guys are awesome, and I know that's not going to happen. I have a good outlook. You guys are amazing, and I actually never expected to get this much support. I honestly didn't think I was going to have to give out all this money, because I am going to, but I almost was like, man, if nobody's interested, then I don't have to give the crypto away, right? You know, but you guys are interested. You want the crypto, man. So that's what we're going to do. And my channel grows. There's legitimate people that are watching. You know, you guys are interested, and for that, I am gonna bust my butt to try to help you guys create wealth for yourselves and your families, guys. That's what we want to do, and that was the whole reason that I started this channel in the first place, was to help people make money. I get tired of looking around and everybody is broke and poor that are good people. And they should have a lot more money, and they shouldn't be struggling, and it hurts me, man. I can only give so much to people. So it's the saying, man. Give a man a fish he eats for a day. Teach a man how to fish, and he is set for life, guys. So I am a man teaching you how to fish, all right? I'm giving you a fish to feed you while I teach you how to fish. Now, that's the best of both worlds, right, guys? I'm not only teaching you how to fish, but I'm feeding you while I do it. So, you guys, this is just what I'm here for. I'm here for you guys. I'm here to grow this channel and build a community and family of real wealth, guys. And, you know, this will teach you how to be successful in Bitcoin and how to ride these intense big 50% dropbacks without selling and losing all of your money when the price is just going to go back up anyways. So, that being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye and good Bitcoin. Bang!